Okay, so before we go on to the video section, there are a few things that we still need to discuss in the text section. So we have seen how we can add all this text to the poster that we have just created. But let us also look at the menu option at the top. So as you can see, this specific menu option talks about uppercase. So if you click on it, that means either you can look at um, the scroll bar, right? It is a bit bigger. So if you again click on it, then it becomes a little smaller. So for example, let us say I just want to type something, then I could just copy, paste, bring it here. Let us say I want to type something and I click on uppercase and I say hello world. Okay, so this is one of the options that we have wherein you can type everything in the uppercase. Now, another way is rather than creating multiple things on your own, what you could do is on any element, you can just click on it, use Command C if you are an Apple laptop, or Control C or Copy C if you are on Windows. And then what happens is that specific element can be copy and pasted, but you cannot do it using your mouse, because what happens is if I click on it, I can just say copy, but I cannot paste it, because when I click on it, click on the element that I want this text to be pasted on, and I click on paste, Canva throws me this error saying that I cannot use my right click menu. I can only do it using my laptop. So I can only do Command V or Control V. I cannot right click and say paste. So I can still copy using my mouse, but I cannot paste it. I think that that is a bug in Canva. But for now, what we can do is, let us say I want the same text to be there on this poster as well, the same style and everything. I can just copy and I can paste it. So once I paste it, I just move it to my another poster or another grid. It is as simple as that. So that is one of the hacks of text as well. Next, let us go back to the top upper top menu. As I have told you, this is where the A, or the one which is highlighted here, talks about the specific text color. So because I have highlighted this text, it is showing me this color, which is this golden color. But using this option, you can also change the color. You can make it gray, so it looks like this, or you can go back and depending on this photo color, because this photo has this color, let us say I can choose this, so it looks more rustic and stuff like that. So you can change all your colors here. Like I said, this again is for the font. So currently we are using Metropolis font. You can click on it and you can change other fonts as well. Let us say, for example, I like this Aileron regular, then this is how it looks. But I can always go back and change my font to the previous ones that I have used. So you can use all the different options that are available here as well. Now, apart from this, what you can do is you can decrease the size of the font, or you can increase the size of the font. So just by clicking on minus or plus, you can just go forward and increase or decrease. You can italicize it, or you can bold it. So if I italicize it, this is how it looks like. I can also underline it. It doesn't look great on specifically on posters, this specific feature. But what you could be doing is, for example, if you're creating an ebook or something like that, if you are writing a resume, or if you're creating probably a presentation, then all these features will be helpful, because there it makes sense to bold, italicize, or underline certain words, right? And this is for alignment, to make it you could make it left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. And list is also a feature which you can use only for your documents or for creating your resumes or for your presentations and stuff like that. It is not helpful in a poster creation, but this is an important feature. This talks about spacing. So there are two words, right, going and forward. Now if you look at these two words, I feel like they're bundled up together. They don't look so great. Let us say I want to add some space in between those, then rather than use my space bar, what I could do is I could click on the spacing, and that is where it shows both my line letter and line height. So line height is the line between the first word and the second word. Letter is this letter. So what I can do is, if I increase my line height, you can see for yourself how everything changes. So the words go farther and farther away from each other if I increase my line height. So depending on how you like your poster design or how much space you have to align, you can actually make this changes. And then letter height is how big are the letters. So as I keep pushing it to my right, you can see the space between each letter increases, right? So if you want more space, if you feel like these were even the words or the letters are jumbled together and it is not actually readable, then you can use this specific three dashes and an arrow icon to increase the different line heights or the letter heights. Apart from that, you have effects. So we were going with the neon effect. So when you click on the neon effect, it looks very different, like this one which we were previously using. Apart from that, you can actually curve your words because of the color. You're not able to see it. Let me make it into gray. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So the words have actually curved themselves. It is more of a styling, but again, the most important aspect whenever you are trying to create any poster is you should make sure that it is easy for people to read. Otherwise, there is no point. Just for the stylizing point of view, if you just add different styles, there is nothing that it would add, because at the end of the day, if people are not able to read your message, then there is no point, right? So make sure all these options are available. They look great on different kind of posters, but you, at the end of the day, you being the creative person, should understand what you should use and what you don't have to use. So don't make it too stylish and unreadable completely, but make it stylish and readable as well. Okay, so we have dwelled a bit of time on the text part. Now let us go back to video. So Canva as of 2020 is giving you a feature of stock video. So we have seen in the upload section that there are three elements: imagery, video, and audio that you can upload directly into Canva. So one of the things that we generally buy outside, apart from the stock imagery, is the stock video. So as of 2020, Canva has also given us an opportunity to directly use stock images. They have loaded lots of stock images into the free version as well. As you can see, all of these are stock images. So let me quickly go create an empty template, and I will show you how video looks like here. So I'm going to just delete everything. Okay, make this a blank template. Okay, so the navigation to videos is on to your left. You have all these menu options. Check for videos and then click on videos. For example, let us say since the theme has been a business for us starting with this instructional video, let me just go ahead and look at all the stock videos that are available for business. So As you can see, this is one of the videos that probably looks good. Somebody is typing, they have a cup of coffee. So this is the general work environment. And if you click on it, you can see that this is a 17-second video. At the top, you can actually see the length of it. And as soon as you drag it into your empty template, it starts playing by itself, and you can see all the different motions that are happening in this video. So you can directly use this video. Otherwise, what you can do is you can crop it. So depending on your template dimensions, you can actually crop it, and then you can use it accordingly. So the height and the width actually match to whatever template you are trying to use. Apart from that, you also have this flipping option. So if you want whatever the elements in the video are there to be left aligned rather than right aligned, you can click on flip horizontal, you can click on flip vertical, and this is how it looks like. So again, if I click on flip horizontal, the elements are aligned to my left. If I click on again flip horizontal, they get aligned to the right as well. So this is a cool new feature that is available in Canva, which is not available in anywhere else. Apart from that, you can also trim this video. So this is a 16.6-second video, but let us say I don't want it to be so longer, right? I just want some elements wherein he just types and he just writes, but I don't want the coffee the specific area or the specific place wherein he is having the coffee. So I can look at the frame at which point he's having the coffee, probably around here, 14.5 seconds. So what I can do is, Canva is not giving you an option to trim directly from this timeline here. This place is called as a timeline. So generally what happens is, in other video editing software, what you can directly, the cursor that is being given to you, you can actually click on it and then remove that specific area. But Canva is not giving you that option. It is only giving you an option to remove it from here. So let us say I want to end it at 13.8, and then I just put 13.8 seconds, and then I say done. So now let us look at the output of the video. What happens is, as you can see, he has just clicked the keypad, typed something into a computer, then he goes ahead and writes stuff in his notebook. But the actual video wherein he takes this glass of coffee and then drinks is being trimmed. So now, as you can see, the length is trimmed from 16.6 seconds to 13.8 seconds. You can directly download the specific video from here. You can click on download and it shows MP4 video format. You can download it and directly use it. So this is the way to use the stock videos that are available in Canva. Again, there are two specific elements to the stock videos available in Canva. One is a free video. So if when you put your cursor, it says free. But if you see this crown logo at the bottom, that means it is a paid version. It is not a free version. So you cannot use this video until and unless you pay for it, which Canva is going to bill you $5 for this video. So select your video accordingly. You can also upload your own video through this upload section and then trim it here, and then use it in any poster, or trim it here, add some music, and then download it. So the next section, we are going to talk about adding music to your video that you have created. In the last video, we have seen how to create videos using Canva. So we have taken the stock video, which was available in Canva for free, and then we were also able to trim that video from 16.6 seconds to 13.8 seconds. Now in this video, we will learn how to add music to this video. As you can see, this video currently does not have any music or any sound attached to it. It is just like a meme video. So to add music to your videos, the navigation is To the left side, you have the menu options available. Just click on music and you can find all of these options available. You have different genres or categories of music available. These could be epic, travel, trap, piano, YouTube, happy, etc. So I like this happy whistling ukulele music. So what I would do is either you can listen to this music directly from this place to see how it sounds like. And also this is free, whereas the other ones have this crown logo beneath them. That means they are paid options. So what I can do is, because I like this music, let me just drag and drop the music onto the video. And as you can see, there is a small bubble which appears at the bottom. That means this music has been successfully added to your video. Let's go and check it out. And this is how it sounds like. There seems to be a small bug in Canva, whereas when I add the music, I'm not able to play the video and listen to the music directly from this window. So what you have to do is, you have to click on this play button at the top, which showcases your video length. And if you click on it, it opens in a new window and it shows both the video as well as the music playing. Okay, looks good. So one of the best features of Canva is the music appropriately extends itself to the length of the video. So if you have been working with videos before, you must have seen that the music does not by itself automatically extend all the way through the length of the video. In other video editors, what you have to do is you have to probably add the music so that it again loops back and starts from the beginning depending on how long the video is. But in Canva's music automatically adjusts to the length of the video. So no matter how long the video is, that music clip keeps looping in and playing back. I hope this was interesting. You can now download this video along with music and then post it on your social media platforms. The way to do it is just click on download and then it showcases that the format of the file is MP4. You can just click on download, save it to your desktop and then upload it on a social media platform. Next, we are going to look at the feature of adding a background to your document or ebook.